Gui, he.
No. You skipped one. Re, he.
I literally did that.
No, you did only one.
I did he.
We have
we.
a video. You did he.
Okay, show the video. We have it on video. Show the video.
Welcome guys to TokataHQ. If you like to have fun and you just want to vibe while you also learn Igbo language, the culture, the lifestyle, this is the right channel for you. Whether you're Igbo or you're not, it doesn't matter. As long as you're interested in just learning the language, curious about the culture and the lifestyle, this is the spot for you, okay? Please like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family, even your enemies. Today we're going to be going back to the basics, which is learning the Igbo alphabet. I feel like the Igbo alphabet is the foundation for speaking Igbo correctly, okay? I think it's very important because once you understand how to pronounce the alphabet correctly, you'll be able to correctly speak Igbo in the right intonation, and you'll be able to correctly spell things in Igbo. Okay, so we'll be learning the Igbo alphabet, which is called Abidịị Igbo. Abidịị Igbo has 36 letters, and of those 36 letters, 8 are vowels called Udaume. 28 are consonants called Mbochume. So what I'm going to do here is I will go over the alphabet, the Abidịị Igbo. I'll go over it once, and then I'll go over it again with you, and I want you to pronounce it with me as we go, okay? Don't let me do it alone. Say it with me. Okay, here it goes. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, B. R, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. Okay, that might be fast for you, so I'm just going to slow down, and I want you to repeat after me because really that's the fastest way to learn. Don't be shy to open your mouth and just repeat after me and try to mimic the sound that I make for each letter. Okay, because that's how you learn. You're not going to learn this by just watching these videos. You have to also practice. Practice makes for perfection. Okay, so let's do it together, and I'm going to slow down a little bit. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, B. R, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, N, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. I hope you were able to repeat after me. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time, and I want to zoom really closely to my mouth, okay? I want you to forget all of this. I don't want the distraction. Don't let my hair distract you. I'm gonna put it back. Don't let my necklace distract you. Don't let all this distract you, okay? I just want you to focus, watch my mouth, and see how I make the sounds, okay? All right, zoom it closer. Okay, there we go. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, B. R, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N, Ng, O, P, R, C, Sh, T, U, O, V, W, Y, Z. You're doing great, okay? You're doing great. Just keep repeating after me, all right? And you're going to do good. By the end of this lesson, you're going to be a pro. Okay, so we've gotten over the non-fun part. Now let's have fun with it, okay? Let's have fun with it. And tell me in the comments which approach will help you remember better. Do you want me to do Abidịị and use like English nouns to emphasize some of the letters so you remember? Or do you want me to use all Igbo? I'll prefer to go all Igbo, but you know, it's whatever works for you. So let me know in the comments what works and I can do like the next video with all the fun things that you prefer, okay? Because everyone has a different way of learning, so no judgment. Please feel free to leave your comment on what you prefer, okay? I just want to keep making better learning tools. All right, guys, to show our dominance over this Abidịị, we're going to dance with it, okay? Like I said, we're going to be vibing, we're going to be having fun, and we're going to be learning. So put on your dancing shoes and dance to the alphabets, okay? That's the only way for this to become a natural part of your, you know, reading and your system. Just dance with it. All right. Hey, this is just a warm-up, okay? All right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, I, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Z. Did you guys have fun with this? I mean, like, I'm vibing really hard. Yeah, okay. You're doing great, okay? Keep going, keep going. Don't be shy. You know, just keep repeating it because that way you become a pro. And I assure you, you'll be able to understand how words should sound in Igbo, okay? You'll be able to read Igbo better if you understand the alphabet. And when you can pronounce the alphabet well, that's just the foundation for everything. Like you have nowhere else to go but up once you understand the Abidịị Igbo properly. All right, we'll be inviting a friend of the show. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, so we have a friend of the show today, Blake. Welcome, Blake.
Thank you. Hi.
Kedu?
Adama.
Good job, good job. Okay, so Blake will be reciting the Abidịị Igbo for us today. And it just goes to show that anyone can learn Abidịị Igbo. So I don't want you to feel intimidated because if Blake can learn Abidịị Igbo, you can learn it too. Okay, yes, you. All right. So Blake, do you want to go ahead and recite the Abidịị for us? And
Sure.
Please take it slow so that our viewers can follow you easily.
Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, G, H.
No. You skipped one. Re, he.
I literally did that.
No, you did only one.
I did he.
We have a video. You did he.
Okay, show the video. We have it on video. Show the video. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Z.
Okay, you did great.
I messed
You
up
did
the
great.
U.
No, it's fine. Like you missed one letter. The ni.
I didn't.
No, you.
I
Babe,
promise
we
you
have
I
it on
didn't.
video. Like I promise you.
Last time you said I missed a letter, I didn't.
No. Like this time, like I promise you. I'll play it back. I'll play it back, and you will see. Okay. You missed ni. You went straight to ni. Ni. You didn't do. It's like supposed to be four.
Oh, okay.
So ni.
Okay, I missed the very first one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you messed up the u. All right. Do you want to give it another go?
Not really, but okay.
All right.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, W, Y, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Zay.
Good job. Good job. You did so great. Okay, guys, that was fun. So if Blake can do it, like I said, anyone can do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It's my fault.
Like and subscribe.
You didn't even give me a chance. Okay, hold on. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. And if there's anything you think we can do to make this more fun and more useful, please drop your comments below so we can keep improving the video and making it better. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.